Welcome back to a new installment in the ongoing saga of my lipstick declutter. Today is going to be drugstore lipsticks. I'm going to zoom out slightly more. These are all my drugstore lipsticks. I've already decluttered liquid lipsticks, lip glosses. All my declutters will be listed in the playlist in the description bar down below. You guys, I'm ready to be very savage when it comes to these lipsticks because there's a lot here I'm looking at and I'm like, I can't even remember the last time I touched that, never mind wore it. So we're just gonna jump right in. Okay, let's start with this here. These are both brand new from L'Oreal. I just got them both recently. They're the new Color Shine. They don't have that horrible L'Oreal scent. I love them. They're more of a balm. I love these, so I'm gonna keep those. These Revlon, what were these called? These were discontinued a long time ago. Color Burst Lip Butters. I made my way through a couple of them, the more neutral tones, and now we're at the point where I'm more into like these really brighter ones that I don't really love as much. So because they're so old and I don't love them, they can go. This is a Kiko lipstick in the shade 507. It's got interesting packaging. You push it through and then it comes out like this. This is actually a really beautiful peach shade on me and I never remember to wear it. And I feel like I have stuff like this now and I should just get rid of this now because I never wear it and I have so much that looks like it, so that can go. This I only bought last Christmas, but I don't really love it. It's from Marcel. It's from Marcel. It doesn't even say that on here anywhere. Oh yes it does, never mind. Anyway, it's called Gingerbread and it's just this metallic, like very, very ultra frosty color. You know what, now I'm going to zoom back in because, okay. It's just a super, super frosty lipstick and it's like, look at that. It's like kind of gross looking. So that's like an early 90s throwback. Okay, I am going to get rid of that one. This is a really old Wet n Wild from my sister. I think she gave this to me a long time ago. It's purple with a blue shift. It's pretty, but it's so old. Look at it. It's like, it's not doing well anymore. I think that needs to be thrown away. I did wear it a few times. I did like it, but it's not an everyday shade, so understandable. These are all Essence. I did declutter a bunch of Essence last time around. I haven't really worn this one since that last declutter. This is a really pretty color. I think it's still available. Still smells fine. It's called Coral Calling. I feel like I might want to wear this in the spring. This is going to be a maybe for now. This is a Matte 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 in 03. It's really nice. I don't really like the scent of it though. Actually, it's not like, it's a little bit sheer for being a matte lipstick. I have so much like that. I don't really need it. I'm gonna let that go. I'm being ruthless because I never wear this stuff. I can't remember the last time I wore this one. I feel like that's a little too concealery for me anyway. It's called Cool Nude, number 05. That one can go. And then this one is one of their sheer ones. It's just very like balmy and sheer and I Feel Pretty. That one can go. I feel like I will keep this coral one just because it's such a good spring shade and spring is around the corner and I don't feel bad because I got rid of so much there. And okay, this is now, I don't know if you guys are gonna like this view, but I'm just gonna go with it. All these Milani ones, I feel like I just want to get rid of all of them. I really like Matte Orchid, but I have stuff like this now in other stuff and I haven't worn this in so long. The formula on these is really nice. I really like this Violet Volt, but again, haven't worn it in so long. The formula is really good. They're good quality, but I just don't need them. I don't use them. Let's just let them go. Same with Revlon. All the Revlon ones, I don't use them. I don't need them. I really like this Certainly Red. Well, I really like all of these colors actually, but I never use them. But I have other reds. I don't need this, so those are gonna go. Okay, these ones I think I'm gonna keep though. These are the Rimmel Kate Nudes. These were my favorites a while back, like yearly favorites, I mean. But I think there's one that I don't love as much as the other two, so I think it's this one. They're all just numbered. That's 43. This one's 42. Yeah, I like that one a lot more. And then this one's 45. Those two are so similar. But definitely 43 I'm not the biggest fan of. I'm going to keep the other two and let that one go. All of these NYX ones, I never use them. I don't care anymore. They're going. Same with these CoverGirl. Never use them. Don't care. Now, all the Wet n Wilds. Actually, let's just start with these first. These are the Get It All from NYC, which very few places even carry NYC anymore. Both of these colors are super nice. This one is called Exception Nude. I just don't love the scent of these. This one though, I love. I wear this every summer. It's just this most beautiful bright coral shade. Definitely keeping this. It's terrific coral. We'll keep that one. I'll get rid of this just because it's like so much other stuff. And since I don't like the scent as much, I'll just let it go. Okay, all these Wet n Wild, I'm pretty sure I'm just going to keep all of these because I really like the formula on these ones. Definitely Sugar Plum Fairy. Wow, can't talk. Sugar Plum Fairy. That is so different from everything else, so I love that. Some of these are kind of similar. Just Peachy, Rosebud, In the Flesh, Spice with Rum. In the Flesh. I mean, I know I love all of these. It's just a matter of, do I need them all? This one is Rosebud. I mean, very similar, just a little more rosy. Spiced with Rum. Just a little deeper. And then Just Peachy is obviously quite different. That's peach. I think I can let go of Spice with Rum. I just, I'm looking back, I don't think I wore this at all, like since I bought it. So get rid of that, but I'm going to keep the other two. 9, 10. So I only kept 8 drugstore lipsticks and I got rid of all of these ones. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 22, 24, 25. And I got rid of 25. I think that is really good. So definitely subscribe if you haven't yet. There's more declutterings coming, and that is it for today. Bye guys.